Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E4 Plus, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos, videos, or any kind of other file from the phone to an SD card and vice versa. And to get started, you want to open up the Downloads app right here. And if when you tap on here you only see one storage device, so for instance you only see the SanDisk, you might want to go back here, tap on the three dots, and then choose where is it? Storage. I think normally there would be a show internal storage or something like that. So you just want to tap on that, and then you'll have additional option here. Maybe it'll be right here. Nope. But yeah, there should be an option under three dots to show internal storage, and then once you tap on it, you should see additional option here. And from here, once you want to copy file, find the file that you want to move. So I'm not really sure where is mine, so I'm just gonna look for it. There is some here, so that's the SD card, and I just went a little bit too far. And I think there's some on here as well. Yeah, so there's two different photos, or four different on two different spaces. So just to generalize this, photos and videos that have been taken with the device will be located under DCIM folder, which can be found on both of the storages, so the phone and the SD card. The question more is, where did the phone save it? So you could probably start by looking onto your internal storage, the phone memory, to see if it's over there, because it seems like it's saving it over here by default. Then any kind of downloaded files, so pictures, music, media, documents, anything like that that has been downloaded will be located under the downloads, and under pictures you will find screenshots. So once that is basically out of the way, so you know where to look for your pictures and stuff like that, we can proceed to moving them. So go into the folder that you have your files located at. For me, the photos are located under DCIM, so I'm gonna go here, and then under the camera I'll find the two photos that I want to move. And there's two ways you could do it. Number one, you can just hold it like so, and you can see that it's now selected, and then just tap on additional ones to select more. And if you have a folder full of photos, or 100 plus like that, and you don't want to select each individually because, for instance, you want to move the entire folder, or it's just easier to delete the moved files that you didn't want, then you can always go back one field, basically the folder that all the files are located at, and just move the entire folder itself like so. So once it's selected, the same way by holding it, you want to just tap on the three dots right here, and you have the two options. You have copy to and move to. If you copy, the files that you right now are trying to basically copy will stay in this location and also be created additionally in the location that you will choose, while move will basically take it from where they are right now and move it to your desired location. For this, I'm just gonna select move, so they get removed from here, and move to. Hopefully I can actually have a better way of doing this. Can I go back? So apparently I can't do it like that. Let's try that again. Okay, so there we go. There is the show internal storage, like I was pointing out before, and now it actually shows the two different storages which I can choose. As you also seen, it wasn't there before. So the photos that I'm moving right now are located on the phone itself. So I'm just gonna move them to the SD card. So choose SD card, then go into the DCIM and camera, because later on I just selected the photos instead of the folder. And once you are in the area that you want to move them to, all you need to do is just tap right here, move or copy. And this is the original place where the files were located at. So we can now actually tap right here, go to the SanDisk, DCIM, and you'll see that there is 4 images now. So the images have been moved successfully. And you can basically, if you want to move different files, you do it the same way. You hold it, the folder or the file till it gets selected, and then you have the option to copy or move, and you choose the location that you want to move. It basically works the same way no matter what you're trying to, what is the file type. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.